guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys already know, I'm gonna share Shein alternatives. Now this video was highly requested on my Instagram. I got so many DMs, people were commenting on my picture that please let us know Shein alternatives because I am a big online shopping person. Actually मैं मॉल में तो शॉप करती नहीं हूँ, मैं I shop everything online mostly. So I think I am the best person to guide you on Shein alternatives. I think like that. So without any further ado, let's finally get started. So guys, the first app has to be Koovs, hands down Koovs. Koovs is literally the best Shein alternative. It is the closest to Shein and I guess it has the capability of becoming the Indian Shein. The prices are really cheap, plus nowadays a super amazing sale is going on. I'm not kidding. Wait for my Koovs haul. I shopped a lot from Koovs. So उनके साइड पे एक बहुत crazy sale चल रहा है where the items are already at a very lesser price. Like the items are already discounted 50%, 60% off. उसके बाद भी you can use a coupon code and वो और 50% off हो जाता है. तो it's crazy. I got like 4 heels, 1 dress and 1 top for 2800. That's crazy. And I shopped उस एक ऑर्डर के बाद मैंने बहुत कुछ शॉप किया Koovs से. तो I think next haul मेरा Koovs haul ही होगा या फिर Zara and H&M haul होगा. Right, stay tuned for that. Now the next app is Lulu and Sky. Personally, I don't like that app that much because of its price. Actually जो trendy चीजें होती है, जो cool चीजें होती है, वो इतनी चीप नहीं होती. They're like expensive. I mean मेरे को सेम आइटम्स और एप्स पे मिल सकती है at a cheaper price. This is what I feel. And जो एक्चुअली में चीप आइटम्स होती है वो मुझे इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती. But sometimes थोड़ा बहुत लक चल जाता है and you really get something really nice on that app, but you have to scroll a lot. That's what I feel. But Lulu and Sky is somewhat also like Koovs, so you can check out that. So the next app is Mizamore, and I'm sure that every one of you know about it. It's an amazing website. So it has really cool styles and very trendy. And जब भी मैं trendy और cool बोलती हूँ उससे मेरा मतलब होता है कि जो इतने basic नहीं होते, like थोड़ा influencer kind of clothes, if that's a thing. But it has some really cool styles. They have basic clothing as well for girl next door kind of girls, and it has some really trendy fashionable styles as well. So it has clothing for like all type of people. That's what I feel. Plus they have this 99 store and that's amazing. So if I'm not wrong, you get 3 items for $9.99. Plus if you pay online, you get a 20% off as well. So I shopped from them around 2 years ago twice from the 99 store, and I got 3 items for like around 720 rupees. So I got 6 items for around 1400 or something. I ordered twice. So the stuff I ordered was really nice, very trendy, very fashionable, and the quality was also really nice. I'm gonna attach the pictures here if I find them. Guys, the fourth app is Street Style Store. Now Street Style Store is also an app or a website जिसके बारे में सबको पता है. हाँ, उसके थोड़े delivery. So guys, the next app is Street Style Store. Now इसके बारे में भी I'm sure that everybody knows about this. एक तो मेरे को नहीं बोलना आता, मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता है. So I'm sure that everybody knows about this app as well. It's really cheap and plus you can find some really amazing pieces on this app. I know they have this delivery issue and some people also claim that they never received their product, their shipment, but this never happened with me. So they have this weird delivery system. I don't know. Sometimes you get the goods on time, sometimes you don't. What I feel is that whenever you order on COD, you get it on time, but whenever you pay online and you order something, तो फिर वो लोग थोड़े ना they take you for granted and वो लोग नहीं भेजते. I think वो पहले COD orders को cater करते हैं. But any which ways, Street Style Store is an amazing app, especially for footwear. And they have this really cool offers going on. 3 clothes for $9.99, 3 clothes for $6.99, which is like amazing. It blows my mind because वो कपड़े भी अच्छे होते हैं. They have so many cool basic t-shirts and super cute t-shirts, so do check them out. The fourth brand is a Myntra brand. Actually, I don't know if they have their personal website as well or if they are available on any other website, but I always found them on Myntra. It's Sassafras. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's Sassafras on Myntra. I'm gonna write it here because I cannot pronounce it clearly. So they have really fashionable and cool and trendy pieces, and at a really affordable price, and I really like that. This skirt that I'm wearing in this picture is from Sassafras. I ordered so many other pieces from them as well, but I cannot recall because मैंने बहुत पहले order किया था. Like, so other than this, you can also check out brands like the Wavy brand, Popnetic, Dressberry, what else, Roadster on Myntra. I really like them. I used to shop a lot from them earlier. I used to shop a lot from Myntra and these brands, but I stopped it because I found Shein. So the next brand is an offline brand as well, but they also have their online app or website. So it's Ginger by Lifestyle. The Lifestyle page, you know, search for this brand Ginger. They have some really amazing cool trendy pieces. मतलब बिल्कुल ही fashionable to the trend piece होते हैं उनके पास at a really affordable price. So price मतलब इतना affordable नहीं होता है, कभी कभी मोस्टली होता है, बट शीन जैसा तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं है. कभी कभी कुछ पीसेस होते हैं जो यू नो यू फील कि वाओ दीज आर सो चीप. कभी कभी थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है, बट यू जस्ट हैव टू सी व्हाट सूट्स योर पॉकेट. आई बॉट दीज जेगिंग्स फ्रॉम जिंजर. सो दीज जेगिंग्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड in India by Zara, if I'm not wrong. Zara पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा चल रही थी ये, and Zara पे it was like for around 1890 if I'm not wrong, and on Ginger these were for like around 1100 or so. So I bought them from Ginger and the quality is really nice. I always used to buy my jeggings from Zara and the quality is literally the same like Zara. I'm not even kidding. मतलब इतना सा भी इधर उधर नहीं है. In fact मैं Zara से better भी बोल सकती हूँ, but नहीं, it's like Zara. So the next brand is Burgo Bay. It's an Instagram brand. Actually, I recently got to know that they have their own website as well, but they have some really badass, cool, trendy pieces. I mean, they have that influencer kind of clothes, if that's a thing. So they have some really cool pieces and the prices are also like, you know, really affordable. इतना नहीं है. Sometimes I feel they're a little expensive, but again it's a really nice app because the pieces you get on this app you don't get it anywhere else. हाँ, थोड़े से ये ऐसे पीसेस शीन पे मिलते थे, बट अब शीन है ही नहीं, और अगर शीन जैसे कपड़े चाहिए तो इस ऐप पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे कपड़े हैं. So do check out that. So the next brand is Eva Young. So you can find really trendy, fashionable, nice pieces on this website, but I think that they are not that cheap. I mean, if I compare them to offline brands like Forever 21, Zara, H&M, Veromoda, then of course I feel कि हाँ उनको compare करके तो उनके prices cheap है, but I don't know, I feel कि Myntra में मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. The next brand is SRS Store. Now they also have some really amazing trendy pieces at very affordable price. इतना cheap नहीं होता उनका भी, but हाँ ठीक है, affordable होता है, like a middle range. So guys, the last brand is Ajio. Now it is also a brand like Myntra or Nykaa Fashion. They also have many brands under them, but I specifically love Ajio because they have up-to-date trends on their app. That's what I feel, and you can find almost anything on their app. Plus the prices are, सब चीज़ों के prices तो इतने नहीं होते cheap. बहुत expensive चीज़ें भी है उस ऐप पे, but affordable चीज़ें भी है for people like us who don't like to spend that much on clothing items. So you can check out Ajio as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you happen to check out any of these brands, websites or apps after watching my video, then do let me know. Do tag me in your pictures if you buy anything, and I would love to see them. I might repost them as well. So for that you can follow me on Instagram. I post some really cool pictures there. If you want to see my outfits and my outfit details, then you can, you know, follow me on Instagram. I make sure that I always tag the brand in my picture. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. So the next video most probably will be my Zara, H&M or Cooves haul. I'm really excited to shoot that. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. And I promise that I will be regular from now. I promise to myself at least. And yeah, this was fun. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.